Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Narcan is probably one of the most critical life-saving medications available today, offering a vital tool in combating the opioid crisis by rapidly reversing the effects of an overdose. And in this video, we're diving deep into what makes this nasal spray so essential, exploring its ease of use, effectiveness, and why having it readily accessible could make all the difference in an emergency situation. Number 5. Narcan Nasal Spray 4 mg. This is an emergency treatment for opioid overdose. It is designed to be used in critical situations. The nasal spray format allows for rapid administration. It delivers the medication quickly where it's needed. Each device provides a single, pre-measured dose. This ensures accurate and easy delivery during an emergency. The 4 mg strength is formulated to be effective. It provides the necessary dosage for overdose reversal. Having this emergency treatment readily available can make a critical difference. Be prepared to act when it matters most. What we like. This is the essential medication for reversing opioid overdoses. It's designed for rapid, non-invasive administration via the nose. If you need a readily available solution for opioid emergencies, this is the one to have on hand. What people say. This is a life-saving medication. It is easy to use and administer. The nasal spray is a convenient and effective way to deliver naloxone. Number 4. Naloxone Case for Opioid Overdose Response Kits. This custom-designed hardshell case is built to securely store all formulations of naloxone, including nasal spray, injectors, and vials. It also has space for essential accessories like gloves and testing strips. Included with the case is a guide detailing the 5 essential steps to respond to an opioid overdose. It also highlights key signs to recognize an overdose, ensuring you're prepared. Crafted from a lightweight yet impact-resistant and water-resistant hardshell, this case protects your medications from moisture, spills, and external damage. Easily attach it to your bag, belt, or first aid kit with the included carabiner clip. This ensures quick access when every second counts. Clearly labeled naloxone for fast identification, this case ensures it can be found instantly in emergency situations. It's designed for rapid access when you need it most. What we like. This case offers robust protection for all naloxone formulations and accessories. It comes with a vital overdose response guide, making it ideal for those who want comprehensive preparedness and secure storage for their emergency kit. What people say. The nasal spray is easy to use and administer, making it a good option for emergency situations. Narcan is a life-saving medication that can reverse opioid overdoses quickly and effectively. The compact design of the Narcan nasal spray makes it convenient to carry in a first aid kit or purse. Number 3. Naloxone Carry Case, Blue 10. This case is custom designed to securely hold all forms of naloxone, including nasal spray, injectors, and vials. It also has space for essential accessories like gloves and testing strips. It comes with an information card detailing the essential steps to respond to an opioid overdose. This ensures you are prepared with key signs to recognize an overdose in critical situations. Made with a lightweight yet impact-resistant and water-resistant hardshell, it safeguards your medications. This protects them from moisture, spills, and external damage. Easily attach it to your bag, belt, or backpack for convenient carrying. This ensures quick access in emergency situations. The case clearly marked naloxone for quick access in emergencies. This ensures it can be found instantly when seconds count. What we like. This option provides durable, water-resistant protection and convenient portability with its carabiner clip. If you prioritize a clearly labeled, easily accessible, and protected solution for your naloxone, this case is a great choice for on-the-go emergencies. What people say. The nasal spray is easy to use and can be administered quickly in an emergency. It is a life-saving medication that can reverse opioid overdoses. The compact design makes it easy to carry in a first aid kit or purse. Number 2. Rothco Emergency Nasal Spray Pouch. Be ready for anything with this essential accessory. It provides quick access to your nasal spray when you need it most. Easily attach it to your tactical vest or emergency bag. It's designed for professionals in law enforcement, public safety, and EMTs. Keep your spray safe and secure with a hook and loop closure. You can access it quickly and easily, even in high-pressure situations. Made from strong 600D polyester, it's built to last. It protects your spray from dirt and debris, ensuring it's ready for use. Featuring a clear Star of Life logo for easy identification. It's the perfect size for your nasal spray or even exam gloves. What we like. Designed for tactical integration, this pouch attaches securely to gear and offers quick access. If you are law enforcement, military, or first responder who needs immediate access to a single dose of nasal spray, this is a practical and identifiable solution. What people say. This is a life-saving medication. It is easy to use and administer. The nasal spray design makes it quick and simple to use in an emergency. Number 1. Naloxone Overdose Kit Bag. Introducing our compact canvas pouch, designed for your opioid emergency response. It's the perfect size to carry your life-saving medication discreetly and efficiently. This bag is specifically made to hold 2 naloxone nasal spray devices securely. Keep your emergency medication protected and readily accessible when it matters most. Beyond just holding the sprays, it also has space for essential accessories. Stay prepared with everything you need in one organized place for opioid emergencies. Crafted from durable black canvas, this pouch offers a discreet solution for carrying your naloxone. Its robust construction ensures it can withstand daily use while remaining unobtrusive. Be ready for any opioid emergency with this essential kit bag. It provides peace of mind knowing you have a dedicated and organized way to store your naloxone. What we like. This compact canvas pouch is perfect for carrying multiple doses and essential accessories. If you need a simple, discreet, and organized way to store 2 naloxone nasal sprays and related items, this bag is a convenient option. What people say. It is a life-saving medication that can reverse an opioid overdose. The nasal spray is easy to use and can be administered quickly in an emergency situation. Narcan is a critical tool for harm reduction and can help prevent overdose deaths. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.